Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This saves time. Once there, choose You in Google, then Sync in Google Services. Turn off the autocomplete searches and URL switch. This stops Chrome from suggesting completions as you type. Make sure Chrome is updated so the toggle is in the right place. If you use a managed device, some options may be locked by policy. Once done, proceed to Clear Stored Suggestions and Search Engine Settings to catch remaining entries. Next, remove what's already stored so suggestions vanish. Go to Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Pick Advanced and choose Browsing History, Cookies and other site data, cached images and files, set time range to all time, and clear. Then open Search Engine, right arrow Manage Search Engines. Edit or remove any engine you don't want contributing suggestions. Once done, individual suggestions can be removed in the Omnibox by highlighting them and pressing Shift plus Delete on Windows. So you close both bulk, finish by restarting Chrome and testing typing in the address bar. Use an incognito window to compare results. If suggestions persist, make sure Sync isn't restoring entries, pause Sync or sign out of your Google account and check again. Also disable extensions temporarily because some inject suggestions. One key troubleshooting tip: clear or pause web and app activity in your Google account, since search suggestions can come from account-level history. If that fixes it, re-enable only the features you want and keep autocomplete off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.